In this video, I'm going to build a fully functional AI receptionist for a dental clinic in 6 simple steps. And at the end, I'll do a live call so you can hear exactly how it sounds. Now, this isn't just an AI that picks up the phone. Without the ability to book appointments, that'd be completely useless. So what we're building today handles both new and existing patients, books appointments directly into your calendar, transfers calls to the front desk when needed, and runs 24/7 without ever missing a call. The software I'm using to build this is GoHighLevel. It's one of the best platforms for creating voice agents that feel natural and trustworthy, and it also lets you manage contacts, automate follow-ups, connect your calendar, and more. The AI receptionist we're building in this video is also HIPAA compliant, which is very important for peace of mind. If you want to follow along, the link in the description gets you an extended 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. So make sure you use that before we jump in. Let's get into it. Step 1. Creating the agent. After signing up and creating your sub-account, in the left sidebar, go to AI Agents and click into Voice AI. This is where we'll build our AI receptionist. Click Create Agent in the top right and then select Custom Agent. First, give your agent a name. For a dental clinic, something like Claire works well. A friendly, non-intimidating name that doesn't clash with anyone on the actual front desk team. Then enter the business name. I'll use Bright Smile Dental for this build. Next, select your language. For most clinics, that's English, but multilingual options are available here if you need them. Then choose your voice. This is more important than people think. I'd recommend filtering by provider first and setting it to 11 Labs. In my opinion, they have the best voices available right now, which are noticeably more natural than other providers. From there, you can also filter by accent and gender to narrow it down quickly. Hit play to preview how each voice sounds before committing. Then set the time zone to match the clinic's location. This matters a lot once we get to appointment booking. Then there are 2 additional settings to configure here. First, the LLM model. I'd recommend leaving this on whichever one is currently marked as recommended. That one is usually the best balance of speed, quality, and cost, and GoHighLevel keeps it up to date. Second, set the agent's initial message. This is the first thing the AI says when it picks up the phone. Something like, "Thank you for calling Bright Smile Dental. This is Claire speaking. How can I help you today?" Go ahead and click Save. Now click into Advanced Settings. There are a few things to adjust here. Set max call duration to around 8 to 10 minutes. Set idle time to 5 seconds with a maximum of 2 reminders. For response speed, let's set it to around 0.8. Too fast and it feels abrupt, too slow and it drags. Interruption sensitivity controls how easily the caller can cut the AI off mid-sentence. Again, a slider from 0 to 1, with 1 being the easiest to interrupt. I'd keep this around 0.7. You want the agent to be interruptible because that's how natural conversation works, but not so sensitive that background noise triggers it. For LLM temperature, leave it at 0. You want consistent on-brand responses. One more option worth enabling here is back-channeling. This makes the AI use small verbal affirmations, such as yeah or uh-huh, while the caller is speaking. It may seem like a small detail, but it makes the conversation feel significantly more human. Just make sure to lower the frequency to around 0.4. Now scroll down to transcription and speech settings. Keep transcription set to accurate. This prioritizes getting the words right over speed, which is exactly what you want. Under vocabulary specialization, you'll see 2 options, general and medical. For a dental clinic, select medical. Just note this is only available for English language agents. Finally, add any boosted keywords relevant to the clinic, such as the clinic's name, specific treatment names, brand names, or any technical terms the agent is likely to hear. This improves transcription accuracy for those words specifically. And if any words tend to get mispronounced, you can add those to the pronunciation dictionary. Hit confirm, then next when you're done. Step 2. Setting up the knowledge base. Before we write the prompt, we need to feed the agent information about the clinic. This is what lets it answer questions about services, opening hours, location, and pricing without making things up. Click on Create New right here and click Create a Knowledge Base. Give it a name, something like Bright Smile Dental Knowledge Base. I'd recommend starting with the web crawler and pasting in the clinic's URL. You can choose to import one page at a time or import all pages on the website by switching to all URLs in this domain. GoHighLevel will automatically pull in the content. If the website is light on detail, you can also add text manually, things like an FAQ, a list of services, or common questions the front desk gets asked. The more you give it, the better it performs. If you frequently update your website, it can be smart to enable auto refresh. After creating your knowledge base, come back to your voice agent, go to Agent Goals, and select the knowledge base from the dropdown. The agent will now pull from it whenever a caller asks a question. Step 3. Writing the prompt. This step is where most people either get it right or completely lose the plot. Before we dive in, there are actually two ways to approach this. In basic mode, you simply choose what information the agent collects. You can choose from name, email, address, and the contact's issue. GoHighLevel's built-in system prompts handle the rest behind the scenes. You don't see them, but they're doing the heavy lifting. For most builds, this is perfectly fine and the quickest way to get something live. Advanced mode gives you full control over how the agent behaves, but there's a catch. Writing your own prompt can conflict with those built-in system prompts. To avoid that, you'd need to turn them off, which means your custom prompt now has to cover everything they were handling. This makes it more powerful, but also more work, and there's more room for things to go wrong if the prompt isn't thorough. For this build, I'm using advanced mode, and I've put together a full custom prompt specifically built for a dental clinic. It handles the entire call flow, HIPAA compliance, new patient booking, and for rescheduling or cancellations, it transfers the caller straight to the front desk. That last part is actually the right call, because GoHighLevel's voice AI can check availability and book appointments. Still, it can't look up or modify existing ones, so transferring to a human is cleaner than trying to work around a limitation. I've also made a templated version so you can drop in any clinic name and agent name, and it's ready to go. If you want it, sign up through the link in the description and I'll send it straight to you. Now, if you follow this path of using your own prompt, make sure to clear all the system prompts. Step 4. Setting up actions. Scroll down to Actions. This is where we give the agent the ability to actually do things during and after the call, not just talk. We're setting up two actions. Action 1. Appointment booking. Click New Action and select Appointment Booking. Choose the calendar you want appointments booked into. Make sure it's active, has a user assigned to it, and has availability set up. If any one of those three things is missing, the agent won't be able to book anything. Now for the slot settings. Days of offering dates controls how many days the agent suggests at once. I'd set this to 2 or 3, enough to give the caller a choice without it sounding like a robot reading a schedule. And I will set the daily appointment slots to 3. Then set the gap between those slots. This is the minimum time between each suggested option. For example, if you set 3 slots with a 3-hour gap, the agent might say, I have availability at 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and 3 p.m. That keeps it natural. If you're building this for a clinic with multiple dentists, you can also connect multiple calendars to the same voice agent. Each dentist gets their own calendar, and the agent will check across all of them for availability. Click Save and then New Action. We're now going to set up call transfer. Enter the clinic's main phone number. For when to transfer, write something like, if the caller requests to speak to a staff member, asks about something I can't help with, or expresses frustration. Now there are 2 message settings here. First, what to say before transferring. This is what the AI agent says to the caller before the transfer happens. Something like, of course, let me connect you with a team member right now. Then you have the whisper message. This plays to whoever picks up at the clinic, giving them a quick heads up on the caller's name and reason for calling before the conversation starts. That's a feature clients genuinely love. Click Save. Step 5. Phone and availability. On the phone and availability page, assign a phone number to this agent. If you don't have one yet, click Buy New Number. It's about $1 a month. Now here's something worth knowing. If your client already has an existing number they don't want to change, you don't need to replace it. You can set up call forwarding so that when no one answers their existing number, the call gets routed to this GoHighLevel number and Claire takes over. You can configure it directly in GoHighLevel. Go to Phone System Settings and you'll find the forwarding option right there. Make sure the Enable AI Agent as Backup toggle is on. This is what tells GoHighLevel to hand the call to the AI when no one answers. But you might be wondering, how does the system actually know no one picked up? What's happening behind the scenes is that GoHighLevel monitors the call after it gets forwarded. If it detects an unanswered state, meaning no human has picked up within the set ring time, it triggers the AI to take over. So it's not guessing, it's watching the call status in real time and stepping in at exactly the right moment. Finally, set your working hours. If the clinic has a receptionist during business hours, you might only want the AI active after hours and on weekends. Or if the client wants it on 24/7, leave it open. That's a conversation to have with them. Hit save. The agent is live. Step 6. Testing. Before you hand this off to a client or use it for your own business, test it extensively. GoHighLevel gives you 20 free minutes per day to call your own agent and put it through its paces. I'm going to do that right now. Let's see how Claire handles both a new patient and an existing patient trying to book an appointment.
Thank you for calling Bright Smile Dental. This is Claire speaking. How can I help you today?
Hi, can I book an appointment for Friday?
Sure, let me get a few details first. Are you a new patient or an existing one?
A new patient.
Got it. Can I have your full name, please?
Yes, it's Peter Parker.
Thanks, Peter. Could I also get your date of birth?
It's the 1st of July, 1998.
Thanks. Could I have your phone number as well?
It's 970 with 7 5s.
Got it. 970-555-5555. Lastly, could I grab your email address to send you a confirmation?
It's peter.parker98@gmail.com.
Thank you. So that's peter.parkur98@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Do you have a specific time in mind for Friday?
Do you have anything in the afternoon?
The available slots for Friday afternoon are 12:30 p.m., 1 p.m., and 2:30 p.m. Which one works best for you?
Do you have anything after 3 p.m.?
The available slots after 3 p.m. on Friday are 3 p.m. and 3:30 p.m. Would you like to book one of these?
Yes, 3 p.m. please.
You're all set for Friday, the 27th of March at 3 p.m. A confirmation email will be sent to you shortly, and as a new patient, please arrive 10 to 15 minutes early to fill out some paperwork. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Nope, that's it.
All right, Peter, thanks for calling Bright Smile Dental, and we'll see you on Friday at 3 p.m. Have a great day. Thank you for calling Bright Smile Dental. This is Claire speaking. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to reschedule my appointment.
Sure, I can help with that. Could you please provide your full name and date of birth so I can locate your appointment?
Yes, my name is Peter Parker and my date of birth is the 1st of July, 1998.
Got it, Peter. Let me check your appointment details. One moment. I couldn't locate your appointment details right now. Could you confirm the date and time of your current appointment so I can assist with rescheduling?
Yeah, it should be Friday at 3 p.m.
Thanks for confirming. Let me know your preferred new day and time, and I'll check the availability for you.
Do you have Thursday at 1 p.m.?
We do have availability on Thursday, the 26th of March at 1 p.m. Would you like me to book that for you?
Yes.
Could you confirm your email address so I can send you the appointment confirmation?
peter.parker@gmail.com.
You're all set for Thursday, the 26th of March at 1 p.m. A confirmation email has been sent to peter.parker@gmail.com. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Yes, how much does a filling cost?
Pricing for filling can vary depending on the treatment. A team member will go over the details with you during your visit. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Can you just remind me what time my appointment is?
Of course. Your appointment is on Thursday, the 26th of March at 1 p.m. Anything else I can assist you with?
Can I talk to the front desk?
Sure thing. Let me connect you with a team member at the front desk right now.
And there it is. Appointment booked, both flows handled cleanly. Pull up the dashboard and logs tab inside Voice AI to see a full breakdown of every call, duration, transcript, outcome. Use that data. If the agent stumbles on a particular question, go back into the prompt and tighten it up. The best results always come from iterating on real call data, not from trying to perfect the prompt before it ever goes live. And that's everything you need to build a fully functioning AI receptionist for a dental clinic inside GoHighLevel. Now, this is just one feature inside GoHighLevel. The platform has over 50 tools built specifically for businesses like dental clinics, from automated follow-ups to full CRM pipelines. I made a dedicated GoHighLevel tutorial specifically for dental clinics, walking through the best features. If you want to see what else this software can do for a practice, go check it out. I'll have it linked on screen. And if you want to get started with GoHighLevel yourself, the link in the description gets you a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. I'll also send you the pre-built, tested dental clinic prompt for the AI agent. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one.